Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2023 Dodge Charger Pursuit. So you can see this casting is a Matchbox from the collector's line. So we expect better details here, nicer tires. Mostly they have rubber tires most of the time. They will have details and a nicer paint. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the 2023 Dodge Pursuit Charger. So this casting is part of Matchbox Collector. So what's different? It has better details, rubber tires, and a metal base. Now let's start from the front. So it's basically finished in the black and white, which is very common police car theme. On the front, you've got a lot of good details. You can see detailed headlamp. You got the bull bar with emergency lights on that, SRT badge on the grille, lower bumper. Again, these police vehicles are not top of the line, so they miss out on some of the, like, they're basically designed for their use rather than having all the luxury equipments or stuff. But on the hood, again, you see some vents and looks like a scoop in the hood. You got both the mirrors and windshield wipers. A lot of good details, I'd say. Coming to the driver's side, if you can see that it mentions Texas Department Public Safety, Texas Highway Patrol, State Trooper on the side. You also got those running lamps here, orange one on the fender, front and back. So a lot of good details. B-pillar is part of the glass house, not actual body. You can see that. And apart from that, you see the typical Charger door design here. Wheels. Normally, normal Chargers come with alloy wheels, but the police vehicle will have steel wheels with those hubcaps. It has rubber tires, unlike the main line, which has plastic tires. So a lot of good details on this side. Looks really good, I would say. The fuel filler is also on the driver's side. Now moving to the back, again, a lot of good details here. You can see a nicely detailed rear tail lamp with Dodge engine on the middle. You've got the Charger badge, you've got the SRT badge, State Trooper, and a Texas number plate which says 41020. Might be the area code, I'm not sure. You also got twin exhaust at the bottom. Look here. Now, I don't know if it's the passenger side, but what you say, you can call it. So there's no fuel filler. Apart from that, it looks identical. And this is how it looks from the tops. You got the set of emergency lights, a spoiler, not a shark fin antenna, sorry about that. And obviously the white paint, black and white paint. Windows are tinted and interior seems to be finished in black. Let me see if there are any more details on the interior, anything special. So the interior is your typical 5-seat configuration with just the laptop and, well, next to the dashboard, which cops use. Let me see if light can focus. Not really. Yeah, so no special hidden things in the interior. And base obviously is metal here, as you can see. Now, overall, I think it's a nice looking casting, and Matchbox Collector is really nice, and they have a lot of good details. And yeah, it looks great, has good details, and will go really well with other Matchbox police cars. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.